Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Jill. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, I want to talk about one video. That video don't say when it did with me, but I want to talk small, but I'll put the video tomorrow and see am. Wetin that our Nigeria airport, they need to do something about that airport, really. They really need to do something about am. Wey be say a person dey travel, you go dey go your whole country. That is, I not really like understand wetin dey really dey happen for that our country again. You go dey go your own country, they go dey disturb person. They no go want maybe say you, if you dey come, they go disturb you. Then at that time they will come ask you. I remember the first time when I go Nigeria. He say where the passport, when me take travel go Nigeria. When me take travel come Europe for the first time. I was like, I want to see that passport again. He said I need to provide them. If I don't provide them, I find there's something. I said, I don't get naira. He said I must give if not 20 euro, I give them. If not, they're not going to allow me pass. I have to give them 20 euro before they allow me pass. I have to give them. So when I say that with my video that day, I say, this one are old gist now. Now their way, they can never change. When I still go that day, when I go again, I think maybe they will also change. That this thing, that carry over they carry something. I want pass. The guy say, make go help me carry him. Man, no worry. I was like, I don't get money when I want to give you all those kind. He said no. I will give him money. Find something give him. We reach outside now. My brother said make him give him 500. He say where the one for the happen? And I'm not the pay me. I want myself push this thing before this guy not agree. He not agree. He said, I saw you help me talk to them. They not collect money from me. I don't collect money from me. I dey travel before. And they go other place. They not disturb me. My own country again. Now that time they will come tell you say, wait money. Find me something now. Find me something now. I been if you want to come out, they come back. No one can even worse pass. Before you just pass all the immigration. This one must ask you money. My sister, find me something now. The other one, find me something now. Find me something now. I want to find the something for. I mean, how much you owe? If you have find this one something, find this one something. The money go finish now. Find me something now. You will give this one. Find me something now. You will give this one. Find me something now. You will give this one. Before you know, money don't finish for your hand. Una stop all those things. Nigeria airports. They not they pay una every month. Una will come delay person, delay. Go make one person miss a flight. All because of find me something now. Una not the shame. Una not the shame. Nigeria airports. Where be say you go your whole country. Make you dey happy. If you reach there. The way they go take behave to you, like say you be another person. You yourself, you go just tire. They will prefer other people safe pass with the Nigerians. Find me something now. Find me something now. It don't finish when I finish. Find me something now. I just like that video where that woman do because una don't too much that Nigeria airport. Una it don't too much. Find me something now. Now I go finish now. Must una ask money? You go your whole country go be problem. They go tax you so till your money go finish. If you dey go Naija, you know say you want come out. You just change naira. If not, find me something now. Find me something now. You don't go get, if you not say money give them, they go delay you. Be say you don't go fit even come out again. They go delay you. I beg you, that's our country. We don't know where they go again at all. And only God go help that airport, really. Only God then go help that airport. I beg my people, I go put the video more and see am. More and see what they do the woman for airport. I go put after this topic. So I'll put the video and I'll see am. So thank you everybody. I just want to talk this more thing for this our Nigeria airport. May they change, may they receive sense. That they are not too much. It not too much. If you like bugbe, you get sioke. So thank you everybody and take care and bye. Share this video so that make you reach their hand. When I help me share them, make you reach their hand. So thank you everybody and take care. Bye.
Hi everyone, it's Sadgo Media here. I'm back again. I'm at the airport and I just about to check in and we've been stopped by, I'll show you. It's called Traveling with Agricultural Commodity. We have gone to the market, we have bought what we have to buy, we have paid for it. But because we want to carry any agricultural thing to travel to the UK, you also have to pay 2,000 naira. That is, I don't know why, because even in the UK, when you're coming in, you go into the section where you say you have something to declare. They will check everything, they won't ask you for money. You just come in, you declare whatever you want to declare, they check what you have carried, that you haven't carried anything that is implicating, and then they will let you go. But in Nigeria, after you have bought your food, after you have paid, for you to then carry food on the plane, after you have paid for the plane as well, you still have to pay 2,000 naira and fill out a form for 2,000 naira. What that means, I do not understand, but I don't know what that 2,000 naira is. So imagine, and it is per bag, I think. So we are filling out the form now, and that is the 2,000 naira that we have to pay. Please, if you're watching this video, help me to share it, because I want to know why we're being charged for 2,000 naira after we have paid. So this is it. So imagine every trolley you have to pay 2,000 naira. For what? I have no idea. So this is Sadgo in Lagos, Muritala, and I don't know why we're being charged 2,000 naira after we have paid. We're paying for the airline. We're also paid for the food. I don't know what is going on in Nigeria. Nigeria Agricultural Quarantine Services. All plan approved. If you are so. There is nowhere it's been said on their banner that we should pay 2,000 naira. So this is an official bribe. They've made it official now. Official bribe. And this can you read that? Nigeria. I don't know what's going on here. But anyway, we're filling out the form. Hopefully they won't make me miss my flight. What is that thing you want us to put? If you haven't paid, that's the London, put London. London Landlord. London Heathrow. Okay, and this is the official form, so you sign for it. All of us are going to sign. So this is my signature, Sadgo signing. They will make me to miss my flight today. Okay, I'm online. They're about to arrest me too, I think.
This is the type of certificate we are issuing to you.
Okay.
For a certification of,
okay, this is for the 2,000 I'm paying.
Yeah.
Okay, are you going to give me this?
Yeah, this.
Okay. Okay, so the 2,000 naira is the certificate, and I'm waiting to collect my certificate. Please help me to share this though, because I need to know what that 2,000 naira is for. Certification of the food. Okay, so I don't know why we're getting the certification for something that I have already paid for in the market. That is where I don't understand, and please help me to share this video. You know I don't usually ask you guys to share my video. Share this one. So I'm waiting for my certificate to be ready. Because in the UK, you go to declare, you declare what you're bringing into their country, they don't take a dime from you. Why is Nigeria charging 2,000? So imagine how many thousands of people will board plane today. Imagine that 2,000 times how many thousands of people will come in. And imagine who will benefit from that money. It's not the gentleman here, he's doing his duty, I would say, because it's the order from above. So I'm not implicating any individual here. I'm just talking about the government, because I know they are here to feed their family. They are on salary basis, so I understand that. But I want to know why we have to pay 2,000 after paying the market people. So please share this video. The government, they are living big, man. I've been to Abuja, I see BB cars, I see nice house, I see nice hotel, all of them. But the plane, Airpeace plane, check my other video. Now sellotape, now they tie up the place where air mask will come out from. As rich as Nigeria is, they are using sellotape to hold plane together. But go to Legend Hotel, where I stayed couple of days. You see private jets, all of them, they are picking a private jet, now they take board. So please help me to share this video. You need to share this one. Share it. Why are they taking 2,000 naira for food that we have already paid for? That is my simple question to the presidency, to whoever is the Minister of Agriculture. To share this video. Imagine how many people are passing through the airport. Why we have to pay. I'm waiting for my certificate. They are wasting my bunch of time. I should have boarded my plane. They're still waiting for the certificate. Waiting for my certificate, wasting my good time this morning. That is the madam that is processing my certificate. And she has a lot of things to type through today, and I'm not even making it digital. It's all manual. The poor woman will sit and only God knows how many certificates she will type in today. So thank you very much for staying on with me. But share this video. This is so bad. This is so not good. Thank you very much, everyone. This is Sadgo Media here, and then I will gist you on the plane. When I get on the plane, I hope their plane is good. If it's not, I will come back online and show you guys. Thank you all. Bye. Have a good day.